Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. You guys are here for the What's on my sewing table video. This video has a lot of selfless sewing projects. I took on my very first sewing project outside like mom's orders and that is this skirt right here. It is a pattern from Knit Mode. It has two folded pleats, and I will put in the screen what this pleat is called, but it does have a particular name. It has a waistband, it has pockets in it. I did the blind hem method with my machine, and there is also a blind zipper in here. I'm very happy with how this project is turning out. I love the color, although it wasn't the original color, but we're not going to go into that. So that is what I'm making. And then I saw Madeline Intibits. She posted something about having a sewing goal for the month of July, and that is to create a summer dress. And I DM'd her and I was like, can I partake on a distance? And she said, yeah, sure. So I chose this pattern, Glosser EU pattern, this dress. It's almost done. I decided to put in a zipper to make it just easier to get in and out of it, and I have to do the hem of the skirt, and then it will be done and ready for display. So that is something for me. And then I have another something for me, but there's balance in this. That is just another version of the dress by Kim Designs with the exposed shoulder, and I just have to use the overlocker to lock all my seams, and then it will be ready to be displayed and just add it to my wardrobe, because I really feel myself when I wear this design, and so I wanted to make another one. Moving on to some other selfless projects, and that is I'm creating a skirt, a deviation of the Aspen Mood pencil skirt for my little cousin. So I just have to put the elastic waistband in here. I'll just put it in exposed elastic, and then this one is done. I made it out of this fabric that I tried to create, like I think a bird skirt with it. I'll put it in the screen. It went so horribly bad. It was not looking flattering at all. The folds were on all the wrong places. And so I decided to use the fabric, just open up that skirt again, because I was never going to wear it, and just create something new. Then I'm going to put a picture in the screen. I saw that from the Ginger Dress by Mood Patterns, they created an alternative, and so I thought it would be a nice fun project for my teenage cousin. And I'm making it out of jeans. I just cut it out. I didn't start to put it together just yet, but this is on my sewing table at the moment. And I'm creating with the pins just the folds for the gathering underneath of at the hem of the sleeve, and then I have to do the same on the top of the sleeve in order for it to bulge up and really create that voluminous sleeve. And this is the last sewing project, also for my little cousin, and you guys know this fabric. I created the citrus dress for myself, and I'm creating a variation of the citrus dress for her, but then just making the sleeves already incorporated, so it's just going to be like these cap sleeves. But the fabric is delicious, and the color is amazing, and so, you know, something nice for somebody else. So these are the things that are on my sewing table, almost done, or almost done, ready for delivery, and in progress. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.